In this video, you'll learn how to run sophisticated portfolio simulations using advanced mathematical models. Monte Carlo simulation is the engine that transforms your portfolio data into actionable risk insights through thousands of scenario calculations. Monte Carlo simulation creates thousands of possible future scenarios for your portfolio. Instead of predicting one future, it explores many possibilities based on mathematical models of how asset prices behave. Each simulation run generates different outcomes, some profitable, some loss-making. By analyzing thousands of these scenarios, we can calculate the probability of different returns and measure portfolio risk with statistical precision. Before running a simulation, check your current setup. Your forecasting method appears in cell B18. The system automatically selects the best method based on your data characteristics and an AI-based intelligent algorithm considering the nature of the portfolio. Its risk profile assessment, tail risk characteristics, and liquidity considerations. Cell B10 shows your forecast periods, how many time steps forward you're predicting. Cell B23 shows your selected portfolio. These three settings control your entire simulation. Easy Risk offers 12 advanced forecasting methods. We will explore this later with a video on suitability of models. The system analyzes your portfolio data and recommends the most suitable method. You don't need to understand the mathematics. Focus on selecting the right model for your market environment. Running a simulation is straightforward. First, verify your settings, forecasting method, forecast periods, and portfolio selection. Then click Simulate with Forecasting Method. The simulation typically takes 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your settings. You'll see progress updates as thousands of scenarios are calculated. Don't interrupt the process. Let it complete for accurate results. Your results appear in the histogram worksheet. The distribution shows the range of possible portfolio outcomes. The peak represents the most likely returns. The tails show extreme scenarios, both gains and losses. Key metrics appear automatically. Value at risk shows your potential losses at different confidence levels. Expected shortfall measures average loss in worst-case scenarios. These numbers quantify your portfolio's risk profile. Value at risk, or VAR, tells you the maximum loss you might face at a given confidence level. A 95% VAR of -5% means there's only a 5% chance your portfolio will lose more than 5% over your forecast period. Expected shortfall goes further. It tells you the average loss when things go wrong. If markets hit that worst 5% of scenarios, expected shortfall estimates your typical loss in those situations. For best results, run simulations regularly, monthly or quarterly as market conditions change. Longer forecast periods require more computation time but provide insights into long-term risk.
Enable correlation in your settings for realistic portfolio behavior. Assets don't move independently in real markets. Compare results across different forecasting methods to understand how model choice affects your risk assessment. If you see no model selected, check that cell B18 contains a forecasting method. Slow simulations usually mean too many forecast periods. Try reducing the number for faster results. Strange results often indicate portfolio weight issues. Verify your asset allocations add up to 100% and all positions are properly defined. Here's your complete workflow. Select your portfolio, verify the forecasting method, set appropriate forecast periods, run the simulation, and analyze results in the histogram sheet. Use these insights to adjust position sizes, hedge risks, or modify your investment strategy. The simulation provides statistical foundation for your risk management decisions. You now understand how to run Monte Carlo simulations and interpret the results. These sophisticated models transform complex portfolio mathematics into clear risk insights. Regular simulation helps you stay ahead of market risks and make informed investment decisions. Next, we will explore several testing features to further enhance your risk analysis.